welcome to one more video on my channel, and this video is completely about irrigation in rice. As we know that rice has many methods in which it can be irrigated, but this is one of the wonderful methods of irrigating rice. This is called as the alternative wetting and drying method of irrigation in rice field. So please follow my channel for such good and basic concepts which will be very helpful for you in learning about each and every topic of agriculture. So let us start knowing what is this method and how it is implemented in the rice field. So there are certain steps. So in this method it requires a plastic water tube of near about 40 cm length, which will be having a diameter 15 centimeter or more than that. So in this tube we have to take the tube and we have to make it mark it. Actually, we have to mark it in the middle, that we have to divide the tube into 20 centimeter and 20 centimeter with a mark in the middle. So into the bottom part, which we want to get it deep down into the field or farm or mud, we have to make holes in the bottom 20 part of the 20 cm of the tube. Like we have to make holes of 0.5 centimeters diameter, and each hole should be a part of 2 centimeter, means there should be a gap of 2 centimeter from each hole. And now the tube should be placed 1 meter away from the bund, that is, it should not be placed nearby the bund. So that bottom 20 portion is now pressed into the mud. Now the upper 20 centimeter which remains above the ground portion of the tube, that should be marked like 5 cm, 10 cm, 15 cm, 20 cm, so that we can measure the water level in the field. According to that water level, we can irrigate the field. So once we have to irrigate, then we have to check that the water, standing water in the field every time. So this helps us in marking or in knowing that when to irrigate the rice crop. So there are some questions about this method, that we have to do the weeding before we follow this practice of irrigation, and nitrogen can be applied and then irrigation can be given to this method. So it is a very useful method where we can find out when the rice plant requires water, when it doesn't require. So the time of irrigation is well known with this method. So this is all about alternative wetting and drying method of irrigation in rice. So thank you viewers for watching my video with patience. Keep liking, subscribing and sharing. Gain knowledge